Have you ever wondered which country Lunar Bank calls home? It's a question that might have crossed your mind, especially if you're intrigued by this innovative digital bank. Well, let's dive into the details and uncover the mystery behind Lunar Bank's geographical roots. Before we reveal the country, let's quickly recap what Lunar Bank is all about. It's a digital bank that's redefining traditional banking. With a sleek app and a focus on user experience, Lunar Bank offers a wide range of financial services, from personal banking to business solutions. The mystery unveiled. So, where is Lunar Bank based? The answer might surprise you. Lunar Bank is primarily headquartered in Denmark. That's right, this innovative financial institution hails from the Scandinavian country known for its progressive thinking and design aesthetics. Why Denmark? You might be wondering, why Denmark? What makes this Nordic country a hotbed for fintech innovation? Well, Denmark has a long history of embracing technology and digital solutions. It's a country that values efficiency, transparency, and customer-centric approaches. These values align perfectly with the core principles of Lunar Bank. A global vision. While Denmark is the heart of Lunar Bank, the bank's ambitions extend far beyond its borders. Lunar Bank has a global vision and is actively expanding its operations to other countries. This international expansion allows the bank to reach a wider audience and provide its innovative services to people around the world. The future of banking. Lunar Bank's presence in Denmark is a testament to the country's thriving fintech ecosystem. It's a clear indication that traditional banking models are evolving and digital solutions are taking center stage. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more and more innovative banks like Lunar Bank emerge and reshape the financial landscape. Key takeaways. Lunar Bank is primarily headquartered in Denmark. Denmark's progressive culture and tech-savvy population make it an ideal home for fintech innovation. Lunar Bank has a global vision and is expanding its operations to other countries. The future of banking is digital, and banks like Lunar Bank are leading the way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.